you by thesis123.com. I learn and teach online.
Here's the next question, number 47. A DC to DC boost converter as shown in the figure below is used to boost 360 volts to 400 volts at a power of 4 kilowatt. All devices are ideal. Considering continuous inductor current, the RMS current in the solid state switch in ampere is dash. Okay, so this is again not a multiple choice question, so we will have to work it out. The question asks us for an RMS current in the solid state switch. Okay, so we have a relation here. IRMS is equal to IS times T on divided by T to the power of 1 by 2. This is the total time interval T. T on is when the switch is on. IS is the current, the source current, and IRMS is what we are supposed to find out. So, T on by root T to the power of 1 by 2 can be written as alpha, and alpha is the duty cycle. This entire term here can be written as root alpha, where alpha is the duty cycle. So, IRMS is IS into root alpha. Here is an important relation that will help. So, now we need to figure out what alpha is and what IS is. Okay. So, for a DC to DC boost converter, we have a relation V naught by Vs is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus alpha, where alpha is the duty cycle. We know what is V naught, we know what is IS. V naught is 400 volts, Vs is 360 volt. So, let us substitute 400 divided by 360 is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus alpha. From here we can solve and find out what alpha is, right. Let us see what we get here. We get 400 minus 400 alpha is equal to 360. From here alpha is equal to 400 minus 360 divided by 400, that gives us 0.1. So, here we now have the duty cycle value 0.1. Now, we need to figure out what the value of IS is. So, the question gives us the power as 4 kilowatts. Let us use the power equation to find out the value of IS. So, I will just take another sheet of paper here. Okay, so now we need the power. Let us use the power in fact. Power equals Vs Is. So, it is given to us that the question says at a power of 400 kilowatt. So, that is 4000. 4 kilowatt is 4000 is equal to 360 into Is. So, Is is equal to 4000 divided by 360, which gives us 11.1 amp. So, we have 11.1 amps as Is and we have the duty cycle alpha as 0.1. So, we can substitute that in the IRMS equation that equation that we wrote down earlier. So, IRMS is equal to Is into root of alpha. Let us substitute 11.1 into root of 0.1. We solve it to get 3.5 amps. So, write that down here, 3.5. Well, this is the solution. I hope it has helped.
Thank you for watching this video. For future videos, please click here to subscribe YouTube channel. Visit our site thesis123.com for free student project or research ideas and online training. Follow us Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and Pinterest.